Hello, welcome to Mobile Munch. Today, we're diving into the Oppo Reno 12F, an upcoming mid-range phone that boasts a stunning display, a versatile camera system with impressive video capabilities, and a long-lasting battery, all at a competitive price point. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. Oppo Reno 12F boasts a big display with smooth refresh rate. The Oppo Reno 12F takes center stage with a gorgeous 6.67-inch AMOLED display. This display offers not only vibrant colors, deep blacks, and incredible contrast, but also a buttery-smooth 120Hz refresh rate for a responsive and fluid experience, perfect for gaming, watching videos, and scrolling through social media. With a peak brightness of 2100 nits, you'll enjoy an immersive viewing experience even on a sunny day. Asahi Glass AGCDT Star 2 protects the display from scratches and minor bumps. Capable performance handles everyday tasks and basic content creation. The Oppo Reno 12F is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 6300 processor, built on a 6nm process for improved efficiency. This processor is paired with a generous 12 GB of RAM, ensuring smooth performance for everyday tasks, multitasking, and even basic video editing. 256 GB of UFS 2.2 storage provides ample space for all your apps, photos, and videos, and a micro SD card slot allows for further expansion if needed. Versatile camera system captures everyday moments. The Oppo Reno 12F boasts a versatile triple camera system on the back. The main 50-megapixel sensor with OIS is designed to capture stunning photos and videos, especially in low-light conditions. The 8-megapixel ultra-wide sensor lets you capture expansive landscapes and group shots, while the 2-megapixel macro sensor allows you to capture close-up details with impressive clarity. On the front, a 32-megapixel selfie camera ensures you look your best in video calls and selfies. Designed for everyday use and content sharing, the Oppo Reno 12F goes beyond just impressive photos. It offers video recording capabilities up to 1080p at 60 FPS, perfect for capturing everyday moments and sharing them on social media. A side-mounted fingerprint sensor provides convenient security, and stereo speakers ensure an immersive audio experience. While a 3.5mm headphone jack is missing, Bluetooth 5.3 connectivity with advanced audio codecs allows you to connect your favorite wireless headphones. All-day battery with fast charging keeps you going. The Oppo Reno 12F packs a 5000 mAh battery, promising all-day battery life on a single charge for most users. When you do need to top up, the phone supports 45W wired fast charging, which can get you back up and running quickly. A feature-packed contender in the mid-range. With an expected release date around July 4, 2024, the Oppo Reno 12F is shaping up to be a strong contender in the mid-range market. The phone offers a stunning display, a versatile camera system with good video capabilities for everyday use, and a long-lasting battery with fast charging. While the lack of a headphone jack might be a drawback for some, the overall feature set is impressive, especially considering the expected competitive price point. What do you think about the Oppo Reno 12F? Looking for a phone with a beautiful display, a capable camera system for photos and videos, and a long-lasting battery? Would the missing headphone jack be a deal-breaker for you? Let me know in the comments below what you think of the Oppo Reno 12F, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Mobile Munch for more upcoming tech reviews.